Did you know that the Shih Tzu is one of the oldest dog breeds in the world? It is thought to have originated in Tibet over 2,000 years ago. The breed was highly prized by Tibetan monks who believed that they were sacred animals. It is possible that the Tibetan monks who bred the Shih Tzu were influenced by the lion, which is a revered symbol in Buddhism. The Shih Tzu's long, flowing coat and distinctive facial features do bear some resemblance to a lion's mane and face. In the 17th century, the Shih Tzu was brought to Europe by Chinese traders. The breed quickly became popular among European royalty, who were captivated by their charm and elegance. The Shih Tzu was particularly popular in England, where it became known as the lion dog.